What's going on, guys? Thank you for watching another video. I know it's been a long ass time since you guys have seen my face. Yeah, today's video, we are installing a quick release. Huge shout out to NRG. Yeah, I got the quick release and I got the hub, which I'm kind of nervous about the hub because for the Mustangs, I guess it's like super confusing on the hub size. I think it's like 175. So I really hope this is the size that fits. Yeah, but got this, got that, and I'm waiting on a steering wheel. I might go pick one up. I found an offer up, but I guess, yeah, I don't know. I'm like super picky with my steering wheel. I was gonna get an NRG steering wheel, but none of the ones I seen that were over there, not at NRG, but at the shop I got these at, wasn't any of them that I liked. So I didn't want to really sacrifice or like settle for something I didn't really want. But there's a Sparco steering wheel that I want, and yeah. But today should be a pretty easy install. I'm really just hoping this fits, but for the Mustangs, yeah, it's pretty much super simple. It's like these little holes right here on each side. You put like a flat thing in them, and it's like little clips, and it pops the airbag out, and then there's like the main bolt in there. But yeah, other than that, it's pretty easy. It's not gonna be the whole video, but yeah, we can at least install these two things, and hopefully I'll be picking up the steering wheel tonight, or I'll order one. It's pretty simple, just like that. It's just kind of hard trying to fit a little thing in there because you're supposed to push against that and it clips it out. But yeah, it's just kind of hard finding them. But when you do find it, it's pretty easy. It just has these little airbags, sensors on them, and then that bolt right there, and it's pretty much out. This bolt right there is a 24mm bolt. So that, screw this. I don't think there's these. The wheel pretty much just comes off, and it's just like that. The wheel is off. But the moment of truth, let's see if this is the right hub. And yeah, I'm pretty sure this is the right hub. I don't think it would go on if it wasn't. Just make sure these line, that little dot is up, and the NRG is usually on top of it. So yeah, it's pretty simple. Easy install. But now, yeah, for the quick release part, I think, yeah, it just screws into theirs, and then yeah, the steering wheel goes into there. So it's pretty easy. Probably a super simple install. Is that I'm kind of hoping I can do is I like having my buttons. Like this is still, I still want to be able to drive it on the street, I guess, once in a while, or who knows, all the time. If I go to car meets and stuff, I still want to bring it out. But yeah, to check all my gauges and like temps and all that, I'm not gonna be able to have these buttons because I'm going for a quick release. So I'm thinking if there's a way I could honestly mount these. I seen Fresh Kiss, I think, did it actually, where he mounts it to kind of like at the side of the steering wheel right here, and he can still use his buttons. So I'm hoping I can do something like that. I'm really hoping. So I guess we're gonna have to find out and see if I can. But yeah, that'd be really sick if I could honestly just put these, or it's these ones, so I can move it up and down. Just push OK. It'd be cool. All these other ones, my volume, I don't really need them, but it's just these that OK and up and down. And yeah, just like that, it is on. And then yeah, this part just goes, and yeah, just clips in, and the steering wheel's on there. So yeah, super sick. Sparco and stuff, made in Italy. The only bad thing is it didn't come with bolts, so I had to go to Home Depot, and they have the specs of the bolts, but Home Depot didn't really have them up to this, like the exact same spec of the bolts. So I just kind of grabbed like a handful of different ones that I think would fit, and I tried a couple of them, and yeah, these I'm gonna order the actual ones from like the Sparco website, but I just wanted to see. I'm like super impatient, so I wanted to see what the wheel looks like on. But yeah, for the most part, it's probably gonna be just mismatched bolts for all the ones that kind of fit snug, and see what it looks like. But yeah, I'm excited. And just like that, it's pretty much installed. I'm just missing these 2 bolts, but like I said, I'm gonna order the actual Sparco bolts that come with it. It's super easy to take on and off. It's like a little button and you just slide it just like that on, and then gives you that nice little click too. So this thing's gonna feel crazy. I can't wait to drive it and have this thing be completely done already. But little by little it's coming together. That's pretty much it for the install for the day. Hopefully more parts start showing up. I got a lot of things coming for the car. Little hands wide body it and stuff like that. Wheels hopefully coming soon, and then caging it. That's the whole point of stripping all this down. I'm just waiting for people to respond. People are busy, so scheduling and all that is really hard, because yeah, believe me, I want this car done super fast. So hopefully within time it all comes together, but hopefully more parts come, so more installs. And other than that, thank you guys for watching. I am going to try to stay consistent on YouTube with this whole build and document all of it. And other than that, thanks for watching.